Hello and welcome to this video for the Your 6 OS platform. In this video, we're going to cover our manual and reference documentation. So this video will simply be a reminder of the resources available to you during the launch of Notification V2. Now this is going to be built out more and more with additional resources focused on things far beyond just notifications and just events. But for this video, this is to be utilized in conjunction with the other videos on YouTube, as well as this documentation to really allow you to understand and have confidence in what Notifications V2 is, how it's utilized, and what are some of the requirements from you as a partner. So two things we're going to focus on here. Across the top, you'll see reference and manual. We're going to start with reference. This is where you're going to see really your reference manual to information on how something works, for example. So we're going to focus here on the events section along the left side. It drops down. You'll see a cascading menu of different things. And really you can go through and see the introduction of how events work, the structure, the catalog, which will actually show you full on breakdown of what's made up in the actual catalog itself, and device topics, alarm group topics, barrier topics, things like that. But for this, you'll also really want to heavily focus on the utilization around notifications. I highly recommend everybody reads this page and goes through the full understanding of how notifications work, how they're sent, and some of the kind of things like the new things that are introduced, such as alarm groups and the filters and how that all works. So this again focuses on Notifications V2, what it is, how it works, and really a detailed understanding of it. Now, the other piece of this documentation is under Manual. You will see Administration. Click on that. You're going to see Notification V1 to V2 migration right here in the upper left corner. Select that, and this page is going to walk you through why we are migrating to Notification V2, what the advantages are to both customers and partners, to really focus on that ability to get to a thing level. So if you want some background on why the migration is taking place, here is where you will find that information. Additionally, it does walk through steps on the actual how to migrate and what is the expectation for partners. And at the very bottom of this page, you will see a migration timeline. That will cover when V1 is being shut down, so that you will have to use V2 moving forward, and when all of the migration needs to be complete. So for that timeline, please reference this website here. It's under the manual Notifications V1 to V2. We will also be sending out communication via email to all of our administrative users of the platform. So please just be very aware of the migration timeline that will be set as we move forward. So again, this is simply the documentation that you need to utilize in conjunction with the videos in this playlist. And you have two different spots up here, reference and manual, and they will walk through both the migration piece of Notifications V2 as well as the detailed information on how it works and the advantages of it. Thank you for watching this video.